we're gonna make this cute little hat that could be for a puppy or for a little girl for a costume. So I started and I've already glued on these rhinestones with hot glue all around the hat. And then we have these little clips here. So I'm just gonna clip this in here. And you wanna just measure this around the size of the head that you're gonna put it on, and then you clip on the other side. So now I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, silver. I'm gonna lay it into my Mini Bowdabra, and I'm just gonna tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of the way. Then I'm gonna take this really pretty sparkly tulle. Then I'm gonna take some plain pink tulle, and I'm going to just scrunch this down. And now I'm gonna take my Bowdabra wand and just scrunch everything down. Then I have a really pretty little grosgrain ribbon that I'll put in here. And then I'll take just my little pieces of, take just 2 pieces of this little, sort of the fuchsia grosgrain. And then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through my slipknot, hold my bow tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra, pull it out, and I'm going to separate the ends, bring this around to the back. And then I'm going to take my adhesive dot, and I'm going to put this right here on the back of my bow. Then I'm gonna take my hat and I'm just going to glue this right onto the front of my hat. And you have this really cute little fun hat.
Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.